Arrive in style with the Chevrolet 2013 Equinox LTZ. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Equipment Group LTZ, Safety Package, 8 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, Pioneer Premium 8-speaker system, radio data system, radio, AM/FM stereo WCD MP3/touchscreen display and Sirius satellite radio. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.